Okay, here we are on the ground level. This is the room full of really old farming equipment, plus other things as well, miscellaneous vintage items, old signs, doors, building materials. Oh, wow. Put it in the light. It's a ceiling tile, tin ceiling tile. Something. It's definitely very old. All these old signs. Intense rusty shovel. Definitely a ghostly scene. Who knows how long that's been there. Okay, don't worry about these things here. Okay, I'm gonna take a little rest on this antique plow and just stare at these relics. Signing out.